Hello friends, myself Rajesh and you are watching Excel Infinity. To watch this video in Hindi, visit our Hindi channel Excel Eternal. The link is available in the description below. So let's get started. In this video, you will learn about circular reference in Excel. While applying formula in Excel, if you refer the cell in which you are applying the formula, you will get circular reference error. It may be direct or indirect. Subject to your iterative calculation is turned off. Let us understand circular reference error with this simple example. I have used simple sum function to add these three cells. The range used in sum function is F1 to F4 and formula in cell F5. If we refer the cell in which we are applying formula, that is F5, and we extend this range up to F5, we will get circular reference error by a pop-up window. Let us see it. This is circular reference error which inform you that you are referring the cell in which you are applying formula directly or indirectly. In this case, we were referring the formula cell directly. For circular reference error, you will also get information on your status bar. It is referring F5, and you can also check in your formula tab in error checking tab circular reference F5. Now let me remove it, and again I am applying the same formula, correct formula rather, this, and I am referring this cell here. This is indirect referencing of formula cell. Here F1 to F3, and this cell is referring F5, and this cell is adding both of this, and we are again bringing this cell here. So in F4 we are getting circular reference error, not F5. F4 we have to correct our formula in F4. It is circular reference error. We can activate iterative calculation and utilize circular reference for our calculation also in special cases. First of all, let me remove this error. To enable iterative calculation, go to File, then Options, Formulas. This area is where you can activate iterative calculation and avoid circular reference error. Check the enable iterative calculation. You have two options: maximum iterations. This is the maximum number of iterations Excel will do for calculation, and second option is maximum change. It is actually minimum change required for Excel to continue calculation or iteration. For better calculation, always keep this value minimum possible. It is 0.001 now. Now we are activating the iterative calculation. Now if I extend this range F5, Excel will go up to 100 iteration, and you are not getting correct result for your formula. So avoid circular reference in regular formula, but in special cases you may use it. I will share one such situation with you. Here it is. In this example, we need to calculate commission of a manager, and this commission is payable after charging such commission. The profit is this much, but after reducing or subtracting the commission, we need to pay 5% of profit as commission. You can calculate it with a regular formula also. I have shown here. Net profit before charging such commission into rate of commission by 100 plus rate of commission, it will come to 500. But using Excel circular reference, you can model formula like this also. In this we need to calculate 5% of this. Okay, here formula is this minus commission, and commission will be calculated on the net profit after subtracting commission. So using circular reference or iterative calculation, you can calculate it easily. Into 5%, it is 500 only, or you need to calculate it by this formula. Hope it will help. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button. If you want me to cover any specific topic or have any doubt, query regarding the video, do let me know in the comment section. For more Excel tips and tricks, please visit my blog jupitersolutions.in, for which link is mentioned in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. For more videos, stay tuned.